This is what Grove City, Florida looked like right after Hurricane Milton brought 9 feet of storm surge to the area last October. Boats in neighbors' yards, homes off their foundations, and personal belongings scattered everywhere.
There's a lot of people that have had enough, and they put the for sale sign up.
Fast forward more than 200 days, most of the homes along Lemon Bay are now for sale. Donald Hampshire is helping rebuild dozens of homes.
It's been a slow process, and people are still fighting with insurance companies.
In some spots, all that's left are empty patches of land. Right where I'm standing, there used to be a beautiful brand new home. That is before Hurricane Milton came through and destroyed most of it. What little was left had to be torn down. For those who chose to stay and rebuild, the journey has been anything but easy. One of the families, Gail and Larry Campbell, I met them right after the storm when 3 feet of water rushed into their home. They've been living in a camper ever since, and their house is finally rebuilt. They're just waiting on the kitchen to be finished.
We're ready for that black cloud to leave us so we can go on with our wonderful life here in Englewood.
Their neighbor is still living in his camper, his house gutted.
Everybody's still trying to figure out what's going on around here, figuring out what's going on with insurance, what they're going to do.
How long do you think it's going to be before you get back in your actual home?
Probably, there's no telling. There's really no telling.
Reporting in Englewood, Madison.